Hey everyone, today we've unveiled the European premiere of the Citroën e-C3, an electric vehicle making a grand entrance with its price tag starting at €24,600 and an impressive 199-mile range. In this comprehensive review, we've scrutinized the key aspects of this EV, analyzing its range, pricing, and its potential impact in the competitive electric car market. The Citroën e-C3 steps into the electric vehicle arena as a promising option, boasting a commendable 199-mile range suitable for everyday urban driving. Our analysis has shed light on the e-C3's defining features, emphasizing its competitive range and affordability starting at €24,600. This accessible price point positions the e-C3 as an appealing choice for those seeking an economical entry into the electric mobility landscape. Citroën's introduction of the e-C3 reflects their commitment to providing accessible and eco-conscious mobility solutions. The e-C3 stands out with its fusion of an affordable price tag and a respectable range, signaling Citroën's dedication to sustainability without compromising practicality. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.